If you're looking for a quick and easy way to cook delicious fish that's crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, then this air fryer fish recipe is for you. If you're looking for a healthier version of a fried fish, then this is the recipe for you, and let me show you how to make it today on the Stay at Home Chef. To start, let's talk about the fish that you can use. You can use tilapia, halibut, some cod, haddock, whatever you want. Make sure it's fully thawed, and I like to dab off any excess moisture so that we can ensure we get that crispy exterior. To get that crunchy coating to stick to our fish fillets, we're going to use some olive oil, and I'm going to drizzle about 1 tablespoon over that. Give that a little rub in. I like the flavor of olive oil because it's very mild. Make sure to do both sides there. For the coating, in a dish or a large bowl, we're going to combine 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs, which will give this coating a light and airy texture. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, which brings a pungent yet sweet flavoring. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, which is the perfect enhancer to elevate this simple dish. 1/2 teaspoon of parsley, which is a fragrant herb that gives a pop of color. Give those ingredients a stir. And now is a great time to preheat your air fryer to 390-400 degrees Fahrenheit, and then work one at a time and take one of the olive oil coated fillets and press them into the coating. Really press that coating into those fillets. Now that our air fryer is preheated, we're gonna place our fillets in there. Work in batches if you need to, and that's gonna depend on the size of your air fryer. Spritz the fish lightly with cooking oil, and you do this so that you can get that fried-like texture without nearly as much as the oil as you were to deep fry. Cook the fish in the air fryer for 10 to 12 minutes, flipping it halfway through the cook. When the fish is finished cooking, it should be crispy on the outside and tender and flaky on the inside. And then you are ready to eat. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayathomechef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.